And now a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Indiana, test tornado drill still planned for around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Isolated showers and thunderstorms have developed early this evening over east central Indiana, 18 Rushville and Muncie. Radar indicated that the isolated thunderstorms contain brief heavy rain. The storms are not expected to be severe, so the test tornado drill is still planned to take place across our entire area around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. The isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected to dissipate around sundown. The Indianapolis Climate Summary as of 7 p.m., March 21st, 2012. So far today the high temperature has been 84 degrees. The normal high is 54. So far today the low temperature has been 62. The normal low is 34. No precipitation has fallen, which leaves the monthly total at 2.09 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 6.95 inches. No snow has fallen, which leaves the monthly total at 0.7 inches. The total snowfall for the year still stands at 9.8 inches. The record high for tomorrow is 82, which occurred in 1907, and the record low is 9, which occurred in 1888. Sunset tonight is at 7:59 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:45 a.m.
This is Noel Hazard Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Indianapolis area. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then showers and chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Friday, cooler. Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy with chance of rain showers and isolated thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Saturday night and Sunday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Lows around 50. Highs in the upper 60s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs around 70. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Wednesday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Again, the forecast for the Indianapolis area for tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Thursday, March 29th through Wednesday, April 4th, calls for temperatures to be above normal and precipitation to be below normal. Normal highs for the period are between 55 and National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Boone, Brown, Carroll, Clay, Clinton, Davies, Decatur, Delaware, Taunton, Greene, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Howard, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Knox, Lawrence, Madison, Marion, Martin, Monroe, Montgomery, Morgan, Owen, Park, Putnam, Randolph,